scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. The center of the disk to the point where the force is applied, and theta is the angle between the radius vector and the force. Evaluate each option. A, the force is (90° equals RF0. C, the force is perpendicular to the radius, but applied at R equals R thirds, so torque equals R thirds 2.